Hi guys. Welcome to Make Money More channel. So, if you're new to this channel, I welcome you. So, basically, this channel is all about sharing website, apps, where you can earn money, online. And if it is what you're looking for, then you're on the right channel. So, basically, today I have another website, I know like many people have been making money, on this website and stuff. So basically you earn by, just by liking other people's photos, like it and like if you don't like it and then if you don't. So I know it sounds insane, but yeah it is. So I'm gonna quickly show you guys, how you can sign up to this website and how you can cash out, on this website. So without wasting any of your time, so let's just jump right into it. Okay guys, so right now I'm gonna show you guys how this website works and stuff, and so yeah, this is how it works. So registered users are asked if they like or dislike client campaign creatives that are served in ad freeways social feed by common domains obtained via ad freeways DSP, royalties, voters IDs, those associated with campaign audience IDs within hours of campaign start, voted preferences of campaign creatives determines impression are saved to audience IDs. This increases campaign audience reach, improve budget allocations, media efficiency, campaign performance, and grows rewards shaped by registered users. So yeah guys, that's how it works, and yeah, so I'm gonna quickly show you guys, how you can sign up, on this website. So if you want to check it out, I will leave a link on the description. So and then you'll get sign up bonus. So I'm gonna quickly show you guys watch the sign up bonus here. So you're gonna get rent if you're using my link on the description. So if got like Google account, and then like sign up using your Google or Apple, if you can use your email, and then set up your password and confirm it. And then clicking here to accept the terms and conditions. So for me, I already a member, so I'm gonna click here. So I'm gonna sign in using my Google account. Okay, now when I'm on the dashboard of this website, yeah. So you can see this one, I think I like it. Let's see, you can see it's 1.5. Okay, I'm just like this one. Let's see, yeah, another one, this one. Let me see this one. Yeah, this one is good, yeah. Let's see, now it's 2.5. So basically that's how it works, this website. So and you don't earn point just by like you dislike other people's, but you can upload your own photos here, and someone can like or dislike your photos here. Yeah, see this one, I just uploaded now. So the reason why these ones they have been rejected is because of poor content quality. So make sure guys you upload like quality photos and stuff here. So you can see this one quality still any on this I uploaded like 25th Jan, but even today I'm still earning points. So that one thing, that's one thing that is good about this website. So you can upload the photos and let them make money and stuff. So you can click here, upload. So like you can upload like 2 photos and 2 videos like per day on this website. You can upload more than 2 photos or 2 videos per day. So I'll leave a link on the description, so make sure you check it out. So I want to quickly show guys. So let me just click here. I want the PNG one. Let me just click here. I don't know which one I uploaded. Let me just click here and to see something. Yeah, this one I think is in a good quality. So I'm gonna click on upload it and submit. So this website is better than TikTok, guys. Where you were like scrolling like at people's videos or what, like without eating anything. So this one is good. Can like other people's photos and other people's can like your photos and stuff. So it's a, I can call it, it's a win-win situation. So if you've accumulated your reward here and then now we want to withdraw them, you can click here the reward. So if you got like PayPal, you can redeem through PayPal like stuff. So $2, can enter your email here and then redeem now. And then if you don't have like PayPal, you can request it through your app, your network, your airtime and stuff. So make sure you enter a valid cell phone number, because whenever you redeem now, they're gonna send it now within like second through your phone, and they're not gonna send you like code and stuff. You're gonna get like message saying that 20 rand airtime has been recharged, and stuff. So make sure you enter a valid phone number and the network and stuff. And here guys, so this is it. Okay guys, so if you enjoyed this video and find it informative, like it and share it to your loved ones. And yeah, if you got any question, make sure comment on the comment section, then I will make sure to answer your query. So other than that guys, I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.